Very good morning, and the time is at about 10:46 a.m. and I did some trades on Midcap Nifty, not Fin Nifty, and also Bank Nifty. So Nifty, I think, and a lot of people expected that Nifty is going to really fall today, but which did not happen. I did cover that in the today morning's market pulse, and pretty much the 1 hour chart is actually showing very fast to trend. I will probably go to Nifty first and then come back to Midcap Nifty. So this is the 1 hour channel that I was referring in the morning. As of now, it actually says that Nifty this month expiry 24658, and then top is at about 24978. And then it actually went out of this channel in the morning and then again came back. So my positions, I had overnight positions, and then peak they went to close to 7.5 lakh losses, and then eventually when it reached back to about 3 lakh losses, I did exit. I think the decision was good. The reason was I was also bearish after looking at the market on Friday, but when it became bullish, I obviously need to change my view. That's where I have exited. I would have probably adjusted, but then usually what would happen is once you take a trade and when you try to adjust, you will get into a lot of unnecessary mistakes. That's the reason I pretty much exited all the positions at 3 lakh losses, and then I did enter a positional trade again, and it is going up right now. We'll see. Again, nobody will be able to guess 100%, but this is what it is today. But coming back to Midcap Nifty, surprisingly, I missed to read that there is a India Hotels results came, and then they did quite well. And as I said earlier, India Hotels has very close correlation to Midcap Nifty, and India Hotels, I believe it is up by 4.72%, as you can see here. There was a massive, I do own India Hotel shares, so that's the reason I started with CE. And then when I saw that there is some bit of a up move, then I have to change my view from CE only to a bit of a triangle or varied positions triangle. So that's where I'm right now. Let me go back to my positions at this point of time. One second. Okay, so yeah, Midcap Nifty, I am at 12,175 PE and also 12,450 CE, pretty much at the same, I think about same point. I did add this probably a bit early. So as you can see, the price has moved up quite a bit from 13 to 41, but the quantity is negligible. I'm okay to take some losses in case if it goes even beyond this point. Nifty, as I said, I was at 7.5 lakh losses, and then right now I think pretty much under control, about 2.88 I think, and when I entered these positions I was at 3.10 lakh losses. Right now I think it is all right, so I'm going to move these positions to tomorrow. I know tomorrow is budget day, but depending on I'll have to take a call. I'll take a call later today. So right now I'm expecting Nifty to stay flat or probably a bit of a bullish, at least for today. But tomorrow, I do not know what's going to happen. So Bank Nifty, I have some positions, but again, not very big positions. So it's very small quantity. So that's what it is. And Midcap Nifty, I think I'll have to keep a close eye. And also being a budget day, I think probably the premiums have gone up. That's the reason you got to see weeks being up. That's where it is. Today, I do not want to really get into massive losses, and thankfully, because of Nifty went up, my portfolio gained quite significantly. And also, I said I do have India Hotel stocks, so that really added quite a bit of a fuel to the portfolio. I think that's good news. And I also bought some India Hotel stock. I mean, I just mentioned that is absolutely not a recommendation, but I mentioned that because I'm doing a Midcap Nifty here, and that has a direct correlation to Midcap Nifty. That's all for now, and I will come back a little later today. I'm a little occupied from now on until 3:30 or 4 o'clock, so I probably will not be able to get time to do a video, but most of my trades are automated, as I said earlier. I do have stop losses, but today I thought I'll show trade flow, but I couldn't. I don't think I'll have time to do that, but next time when I get time, I'll definitely do that. Hi, welcome back. And the time is at about 4:27. I know market got closed now. Posted the losses for today about 3.57, I think. Let me tell you, I think a lot of people ask me what strategy that I generally use, right? Today here, Midcap Nifty, I started with the definitely CE only. That was about 12,300 CE. That's where I started selling. Initially, there was a profit definitely, but then after that, there was a reversal at about, I think immediately after first 15 minutes. But then I thought this is going to really come back, which did not happen. So here I did one mistake around putting a wrong stop loss. I think P or C are not able, I think probably P. So it got hit and then there was some bit of a loss. And then after there was some down move, there was some up move, and then there was some bit of a movement up and then down. So now I know at a retrospective, at a retrospection, is this, if you see this will look like a very non-directional market, but then when you are very close to spot price, so some of these little moves would really impact. Ideally, I would probably exited somewhere here. I was in the profit of close to 2 lakhs, but then I thought I will maximize the returns. That's where I stayed in the market. But that's all right. So trading is all about not getting profits every day. There would be definitely some loss days, and intention is to minimize those loss days so that we'll be able to optimize the more profits on a profit day. Anyway, today is started as a directional, but then it became pretty much non-directional after 10:45, I think. But then we never know. So I thought there is going to be absolute reversal here, which did not happen. And also I thought there's going to be a massive up move here. That also did not happen. And again, there was one more fake reversal here. That also did not happen. So anyway, if you traded the Midcap Nifty, you would understand that it was literally difficult day. I'm sure there would be some people who made some money, but that's all right, because some days our strategies absolutely would not work and we can't help much there. All right, so coming back to Nifty, what is happening? So I did say in the morning, if you watch my Market Pulse video, so I was actually looking at the 1 hour channel, and then pretty much within the channel for today, it actually started very well below the channel, but then eventually it moved up, and then currently it also took some resistance in the channel, and then it moved back. So right now I'm still tracking 24,955, and then this most probable is 24,775, and then the least probable is 24,600. But tomorrow being budget, VIX is actually up by about 4.11%, and I would think after 11 or 12, not 11 o'clock, after 12 o'clock, I would think that VIX would fizzle it out, and which means that the option premiums will be little less than whatever we see today. Tomorrow is FinNifty expiry. 99% chances that I'll not be doing FinNifty tomorrow, mainly as I have been saying that expiry trades become quite stressful, and until unless I see some good trade there, I will not really do that. But right now I do have overnight positions on both the Nifty and then Bank Nifty. So I will mostly manage them tomorrow, and tomorrow morning I'll be a little occupied for first 1 or 2 hours. So I'm not going to do much of a trading there, but I will look at automating just post budget. I think that's the plan for tomorrow. And tomorrow being a budget day, I would expect some bit of a relief for the salaried employees. I know we are the most ignored people, at least from the tax perspective. There's a lot of tax that we pay, but then the kind of benefits that we get is absolutely negligible. So I hope government would take some corrective steps to reduce some tax burden. And in fact, what would happen is when taxes are less, when the money is in hand, we tend to go on and spend money. That would indirectly or directly would impact the economy anyway. Instead of getting money into the government hands and versus we pretty much when the money in our own hands, I think we'll have a lot more freedom to go on and do whatever we would like to do. I think that's all for today, and have a great remaining day, and let's hope we'll get a good budget tomorrow, and see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.